Welcome to JMH Tech. In most iPhones, your battery drains very quickly. This is a common problem. So now, to reduce the battery drainage, you can use the low power mode, which saves the battery charge and helps you to reduce the usage of battery. So now, to do that, you will have to first go to the settings, and in the control center, the control center means this feature of the iPhone. So in the later iPhones, you'll have to swipe from the top right to access the control center. So now in the control center, you need the low power mode. So now, right now, it's been already added, but now I am going to remove it and I will show you how to add it again. So now you'll have to find the low power mode in this list, and once you found it, just click the plus button to its left. So now when you click it, it will be added to the list above. So now it's been added to the control center. So I'll return to the home screen, and once I swipe to access the control center, I can see the low power mode on the bottom. So now when I click on it, you'll see it becomes orange, and now you will notice that my battery percentage has changed to orange color. So now the battery drainage will be significantly reduced, and this will automatically be turned off when your battery comes over 80 percentage. Until that, your battery will be in low power mode. So now it is best to use this when your phone is under 30 percentage, and so that you will not lose your charge immediately.